What up, gang? Welcome back to another street vlog. So today, since people asked me to do a vlog for the car, so this is my shit box. We're gonna do some major work for this car, do some body work. So this is how you open your bonnet for ke70. If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. Yeah, you can see full of rust. Look at this. Look at this. The hell? Look at this. Look at this. So my fuel tank, I'm using cut shell fuel tank. This AC pump. No, I don't know. I think so. It's AC pump. So we're gonna take this out. Take this out. We're gonna do it back. We're gonna cover this hole. Saga bumper. I'm gonna take it and throw it. Looks ugly. I put this bumper on because you know JPJ. They love to talk to you. So the front face, if you guys haven't seen, I'm gonna put the s14 boss kit for the front face. This is a k70 front bonnet and s14 boss kit front bonnet. So I attach it together. I mean, it looks nice. Later on, I might fix the fender, the bumper. Meow, stop disturbing me. So this is my workshop. This is where I work. So I'm gonna show you guys around. GTT fully convert. Ooh. Fully convert side skirt, over fender, spoiler. Look at the fitment. Look at this. Just nice. So we're gonna go see different car. You guys just ignore this ugly ass car. S15 Fair Lady RX7. Walk around. Lotus. So this is customer's car. They sent here to change the bumper, the fender, the bonnet, side skirts, over fender, spoiler. They're gonna put GT wing and gonna send this car for paint. This one need to touch up a bit. So right now I'm waiting for my Sifu Yamate-san. Haven't woke up to help me to welding the back part of my bonnet. So guys, a bit of update. Took out the ugly bumper. Took it and throw it. Looks ugly. I mean, now it looks like a drift car, but I don't think JPJ will approve. I'm gonna change both of the light. Look at all this rust. Look at this. See, you can put one finger in, you can put two finger in. I mean, from there you can put your finger out. All this rust hole. Some people ask me why I buy this old car. Sometimes I regret buying, but it's life. You gotta move on. You gotta buy some things that you regret later, or maybe regret for your whole life. So I'm gonna take this fuel tank out. Yamate-san still haven't woke up. It's already 11 o'clock. So guys, a bit more update. Yamate-san is awake, doing the frame, and look at all this rust. We're gonna clean it off. Yamate's son helped me to welding, and he did his skills. So this is before, after, before, after. Look at how straight. Whew. So this is the back. There's a lot of rust with this car. I also don't know why. Here rust, there rust. So this is the front face. Almost done. There's like a bit more I need to touch up here, at the back. The bonnet is quite high, the fender also, and this thing I need to raise it up. Here also it's quite high. So this is the S14 boss kit. I mean, not bad lah. Looks nice. Then we're gonna cover up this hole and that hole. There's a lot of hole in this car. Weight reduction. See? Hole, weight reduction. No. Weight reduction. Small hole, weight reduction. Big hole, extra weight reduction. So we're gonna cover up it. So guys, update, this is the front bash bar to hold the front bumper. So we're gonna, the bar is gonna go inside here. And I'm using back the original hole, so it will come under here and sit on here, so I can just screw it. So we'll take a look at the back. Yamate-san finished both sides. Whew. Only left like this small hole. We don't have much time, it's already 6 o'clock, so we might continue it on the next video. So guys, done installing the front bar for the bumper. So bumper is solid. So that's for today guys. We shall continue next Sunday. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe.